for you to do battle with a mutant who chews gravel and spews jagged matter back at dudes asking to grapple. I'm used to abusive battering, and by used to abusive battering I actually mean my boots used to moving through asses when you bastards attempt to pin raps, attacking the cat of my stature. And it's sad to have to blast a backpacker so bad that they have to attach flaps of skin grafted and plastic limbs after I match when I win, just to patch them back again. What matters is I mastered every path of my craft so accurate. Every track I spit rapidly adds to the status I have as sick, which would be the shit except when I rap a verse. Nervous kids are grabbing a gas mask and missing the first half of my shit. I flatten average men with a pad and a pen. I'll fashion a diss so immaculate I have to rap it with a cackle and grin. I'm past the status of devil's advocate, attracted to sin. The baddest, you can't even begin to imagine the madness within. This is your warning, I'm a force to be reckoned with. My tongue's a torch that scorches when the record spins. Fuck authority, I torture the president. It's surely evident I'm as morbid as war veterans. I spit that hardcore shit and deliver rhetoric so sadistic Christians switch directions when I'm headed in the direction they're headed in. And I'm better than any competitor, ready to sever the head of a metal or deadly as ever. The shit is inevitable. I sip liquor, get pissed, disfigure a chick's pretty face with a quick flip on my wrist, scraping razors, hit breaking the skin, and then I'm licking the places I slit to taste what I did. I'm basically saying mentally insane is too tame for what I've been since the 80s, and I'm saying I'm way crazier since then. I stay in a state of intense meditative hate and stay bent from medication meant to replace sedation with concentration and make you creative and unafraid to display it in the same sense. So I'm taping my praise faces and taking them to a basement in a vacant wasteland to participate in strange operations like making them trade veins with an AIDS patient, and then I'm unchaining them and letting them escape so I can chase them and videotape the mayhem. I'm playing with praying victims, laying naked, restricted with thick fitted restraints. I'm lifting painfully bending tense ligament tissue which extends when I inch the 6 sensitive suspension instruments in 60 to minute in sequentially different increments. This is your warning, I'm a force to be reckoned with.